tic-tac, which is toe, games in the classroom in the month of October are the way to go. Let's talk about some of my favorite games for any content.
The biggest thing to remember in the classroom when playing games is you want to intentionally make sure that you prepare for students to not have turns and not have outs. Every single student should be answering every question. So here in tic-tac-toe, each student would answer independently and they could check their answers and confirm and place their markers. Then here, this is a simple way that you can incorporate a game into building a Halloween character, whether it be Frankenstein or a pumpkin or a ghost. But once again, each student is answering their own independent questions. And then once they check and confirm if they got the correct answer, they can place their piece and see who builds Frankenstein or the pumpkin first. But again, no turns, no outs when it comes to playing games.
Let us know below if you'll be using these games in your classroom.